If you're looking for dog toys to keep them busy, here's a collection you've got to see. Pet lovers' most popular dog toys to keep them busy. Number 1, Most Popular, by SunGrow. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Playay. Number 3, by PetSafe. For more dog toys to keep them busy, just click this circle. Number 4, by Idepet. Number 5, by Spot. Find these dog toys to keep them busy at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by PetSafe. Number 7, by Tug-A-Jug. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Ethical Pet. Number 9, by Spot. Discover more dog toys to keep them busy, ideas and items to explore. Click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Spunky's Teep Stuffable Bone Dog Toy Set.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.